Hey Brandon, what's going on?
Just about to jump out of a perfectly good airplane.
Yeah, first time?
Yeah, first time.
Excited?
Yeah.
Cool man, it's gonna be
Absolutely.
fun. So we're gonna go up into
Parachute pilot Dave here is gonna take me down to the ground.
You betcha. We'll do it together.
Yeah.
All right. So we're gonna go up into the beautiful sky today.
Yep.
Get strapped together, roll out of the airplane.
Beautiful
then do
big sky.
Yes, beautiful big sky.
Advertising.
And then we're gonna do 200 kilometers an hour straight towards the planet.
Perfect.
Sound like a plan?
Absolutely.
All right, dude. Don't turn it back now.
No. Best thing I've ever done in my life. Oh. Wow.
Oh, that!
Oh,
Isn't that cool?
that was amazing. That was fucking amazing.
Woo! Hey, thanks for taking me for a ride on your back, man.
Thanks, Dave. Thanks for bringing me
Got that
back
big
down.
sky. Woo!